Hi, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we are going to cover the low falling broken tone. So if you want to be a master in Vietnamese, you have to know about the tone. A word in Vietnamese can be without tone, with rising tone, falling tone, low falling broken tone, rising broken tone, falling air broken tone. And now let's talk about the low falling broken tone. It's called dấu nặng. Before we talk about the low falling broken tone, make sure that you've watched my video about the falling tone. If you haven't done that yet, click on the link in the description to watch this video first. Now let's come back to the low falling broken tone, dấu nặng. Let's see how this tone is made. So we start by making the falling tone. We make our voice a little bit lower to the do note, and then you immediately cut off the sound by closing your vocal cord very, very strongly. And the moment you cut off the sound, you get the low falling broken tone. Okay, for example, now I'm gonna do with the sound. Okay, first let's take the sound a little bit lower. We have and now immediately cut off the sound. Now let's try another examples. Here I have the word ca. Okay, first I'm gonna make the falling tone, and we have the word ca. And now I'm gonna make the low falling broken tone, ca, ca. Okay, let's compare again. Ca without tone, ca falling tone, and ca low falling broken tone. You can notice that the word with low falling broken tone is a stop sound, so we can't prolong the word with low falling broken tone. Now let's compare again. Ca, 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 ca. Now let's try to compare some words with the falling tone and the low falling broken tone. The first pair of word is ma, co, mờ, đầu, đậu, kiềm, kiệm, đàn, đạn, chạy, tiền, tiện, còng, chuyện, tập, chạy, tập, đọc, bộ, đội, tập hợp, cột, điện, lật, đật, lạ mặt, nặng nhọc, cập nhật. Now let's try to say some sentences with the low falling broken tone. I'm going to do in 3 steps. First, I'm going to say each word. Then I'm going to say the sentence very, very slowly. On the last step, I'm going to say the sentence with normal speed. Mẹ mua một chục trứng vịt lộn. Mẹ mua một chục trứng vịt lộn. Mẹ mua một chục trứng vịt lộn. Mạnh chạy bộ gặp chú bộ đội. Mạnh chạy bộ gặp chú bộ đội. Mạnh chạy bộ gặp chú bộ đội. Hạ mệt vì tập luyện cả ngày. Hạ mệt vì tập luyện cả ngày. Hạ mệt vì tập luyện cả ngày. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face or support my effort, donate me by the link in the description. Or if you want to download textbooks, get the link in the description. Thank you for watching.